Good morning to all. Today I will discuss about chapter 5 admission of a partner. Today I will discuss about new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. Sum number 12. Govind and Gopal are partner in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 5:4. The admit of Rahim as a partner. Govind surrender 2 by 9 of his share in favor of Rahim for new partner, and Gopal surrender 1 by 9 of his share in favor of Rahim. Calculate new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. Same sum. Old ratio is equal to 5:4. Old ratio value is given 5:4, that is a 5 by 9 is to 4 by 9. 9 means 5 plus 4, 9. Share sacrificing. Surrender and favor means calculation of sacrificing ratio. Formula old share into proportion of share sacrificed. Share sacrificing or share sacrificing is equal to old share into proportion of share sacrifice. First old partner Govind. Old partner Govind old share 5 by 9 into surrender value 2 by 9. First partner surrender value 2 by 9. Surrender value 2 by 9. 5 by 9 into 2 by 9 is equal to 5 into 2 are 10. 9 into 9 are 81. Second partner Gopal old partner. Gopal is equal to old share 4 by 9 into surrender value 1 by 9. 4 into 1 are 4. 9 into 9 are 81. Sacrificing ratio of Govind and Gopal 10:4. Second point, new profit sharing ratio. New profit sharing ratio is equal to old share minus share sacrificing. New profit sharing ratio is equal to old share minus share sacrificing. First old partner Govind. Govind old share 5 by 9. Old share 5 by 9. Share sacrificing value 10 by 81. 10 by 81. So change equal means 81. 9 into 9 are 81. 9 into 5 are 45 minus 10. 35 divided by 81. Second partner Gopal. Gopal old share 4 by 9. Same sacrificing ratio 4 by 81. Same LCM for 81 divided by 9 into 9 are 81. 9 into 4 are 36. 36 minus 4. 32 divided by 81. Two old partners over. And share of new partner. New partner is Rahim. Sum of share sacrificed by Govind and Gopal. Govind value 10 by 81 sacrificing ratio plus Gopal 4 by 81 sacrificing ratio is equal to 14 by 81 for new partner. New profit sharing ratio of three partner Govind, Gopal and Rahim is equal to 35:32:14. Sum number 13. Prema and Chandra share profit in the ratio of 5:3. Hema is admitted as a partner. Prema surrendered 1 by 8 of his share of Chandra. Surrendered 1 by 8 of his share in favor of Hema. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. Old ratio given 5:3 and that is 5 by 8. 8 means 5 plus 3, 8 is to 3 by 8. First one, sacrificing ratio or share sacrificed is equal to old share into proportion of share sacrificing. Sacrificing ratio surrender means share sacrificing is equal to old share into proportion of share sacrificing. First old partner Prema. Prema old share 5 by 8. Old share into proportion of share sacrificing means surrender value. Prema surrender value 1 by 8. 1 by 8. 5 into 1 are 5. 8 into 8 are 64. Second partner Chandra. Chandra old share 3 by 8. Chandra old share 3 by 8. And Chandra surrender value 1 by 8. 1 by 8 is equal to 3 into 1 are 3. 8 into 8 are 64. Sacrificing ratio of Prema and Chandra 5:3. Next one, second point. New profit sharing ratio is equal to old share minus share sacrificing. New profit sharing ratio is equal to old share minus share sacrificing. First partner Prema. Prema old share 5 by 8. minus share sacrificing value 5 by 64. Same value means 64 LCM. 8 into 8 are 64. 8 into 5 are 40. 40 minus 5, 35 divided by 64. Second partner Chandra. Chandra old sir 3 by 8 minus sacrificing value 3 by 64. Same LCM was 64. 8 into 8 are 64. Same 3 into 8 are 84. 3 into 8 are 24. 24 minus 3, 21 divided by 64. New partner. New partner. Share of new partner is equal to share of new partner. New partner for Hema. Sum of share sacrificing by Prema and Chandra. Prema sacrificing value 5 by 64. Chandra 3 by 64. 5 by 64 plus 3 by 64. 8 by 64. New profit sharing ratio of old partner and new partner. Prema and Chandra and Prema and Chandra plus new partner Hema is equal to 35 is to 21 is to 8. Sum number 14. Karthik and Kannan are equal partner. Karthik and Kannan are equal partner. They admit Kailas with 1 by 4 share of profit. Kailas acquired his share from old partner in the ratio of 7 is to 3. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. The sum old partner ratio not given. Same Kailas share 1 by 4 of his profit. Kailas share 1 by 4 of profit. Old ratio. Karthik and Kannan are equal partner. Equal partner means 1 is to 1. Equal partner means 1 is to 1. Same, that is 1 by 2 is to 1 by 2. Proportion of share sacrificing. Proportion of share sacrificing means Kailas is a new partner. Acquired his share from old partner. The ratio of 7 is to 3 means proportion of share sacrificing value. 7 is to 3, that is a 7 by 10 is to 3 by 10. First one, share sacrificing. Share sacrificing formula. New partner share into proportion of share sacrificing. Share sacrificing is equal to new partner share into proportion of share sacrificing. First partner Karthik. Karthik new partner share 1 by 4. Kailas share is a 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into proportion of share sacrificing value 7 divided by 10. 1 into 7 are 7. 10 into 4 are 40. Second partner Kannan. Kannan new partner share Kailas share 1 by 4 into proportion of share value 3 by 10. 1 into 3 are 3. 10 into 4 are 40. Sacrificing ratio of Karthik and Kannan is equal to 7 is to 3. Second point, new profit sharing ratio is equal to old share minus share sacrificing. New profit sharing ratio is equal to old share minus share sacrificing. Karthik value old share 1 by 2. That is the equal partner. 1 is to 2 is, that is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Sacrificing value first partner 7 by 40. Same LCM 40. 2 into 20 are 40. Same 1 into 2 are 2. 220 minus 7 is equal to 13 by 14. Same 20. Same 20. 20 into 1 are 20. Second partner Kannan. Kannan equal old share 1 by 2 minus share sacrificing value 3 by 40. 3 by 40 LCM 40. Same 2 into 20 are 40. Same 1 into 20 are 20. 20 minus 3 17 by 14. Share of new partner. Kailas value 1 by 4. In order to equalize the denominator, equalizing the denominator, multiply and divide Kailas share by 10. 1 by 4 into 10 by 10 is equal to 10 by 40. New profit sharing ratio is equal to 13 is to 17 is to 10. Sum number 15. Selvam and Senthil are partner, sharing profit in the ratio of 2 is to 3. Siva is admitted into the firm with 1 by 5 share of profit. Siva acquires equally from Selvam and Senthil. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. Siva share 1 by 5. Selvam and Sendil are partner sharing profit in the ratio of 2:3. So older ratio is equal to 2:3, that is 2/5:3/5. Siva acquire equally from Selvam and Sendil means proportion of share sacrificing value 1:1. Equally 1/2:1/2. Share sacrificing is equal to new partner share into proportion of share sacrificing. Selvam and Sendil is a old partner. New partner share 1/5. Selvam is equal to new partner share 1/5 into proportion value 1/2 is equal to 1/10. Sendil new partner share 1/5 into proportion value 1/2, same 1/10. Sacrificing ratio of Selvam and Sendil 1/10 is to 1/10, that is 1:1. Second one, new profit sharing ratio is equal to old share minus share sacrificing. Old share minus share sacrificing. Selvam old share 2/5 minus share sacrificing value 1/10 is equal to, say LCM for 10, 5 into 2 are 10, 2 into 2 are 4. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3/10. Same Sendil 3/5 for old share minus share sacrificing value 1/10 is equal to, say 5 into 2 are 10, 3 into 2 are 6. 6 minus 1 divided by 10, 5/10. Share of new partner, Siva value 1/5. Say 1/5 into 2/2 is equal to 1/10. Equalizing denominator, dividing and multiplying by 2. 2/2, 1/10. New profit sharing ratio of 3:5:2. Sum number 16. Mala and Anita are partner, sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Mercy is admitted in the partnership with 1/5 share in the profit. Calculate new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. This sum sacrificing ratio value is given. Sacrificing ratio is equal to 3:2 or old ratio. Sacrificing ratio or old ratio value 3:2. Mercy share 1/5. This sum old ratio are not given means let the total share is equal to 1. Okay. Total share is equal to 1. Remaining share is equal to 1 minus 1/5. Total share minus Mercy share, new partner share 4/5. New profit sharing ratio is equal to remaining share into old share. Mangala is equal to remaining share value 4/5 into old share 3/5. 4 into 3 are 12. 5 into 5 are 25. 12/25. Anita remaining share same 4/5 into old share 2/5 is equal to 4 into 2 are 8. 5 into 5 are 25. Share of new partner. Mercy value 1/5. In order to equalize the denominator, multiply and dividing by 5. Same 1/5 into 5/5 is equal to 5/25. New profit sharing ratio is equal to 12:8:5. Sum number 17. Ambika, Dharani and Batma are partner in the firm sharing profit in the ratio of 5:3:2. The admit Ramya for 25% of profit. Calculate new profit sharing ratio. Old ratio is equal to 5:3:2, that is 5/10:3/10:2/10. Ramya's share of profit 25% means 25/100. 25 into 1 are 25. 4 into 25 are 100. 1/4. Let be total share is equal to 1. Remaining share 1 minus new partners are 1/4. 4 into 4 are 4 minus 1, 3/4. New profit sharing ratio is equal to remaining share into old share. Ambika remaining share 3/4 into old share 5/10. 5 into 3 are 15. 10 into 4 are 40. 15/40. Dharani 3/4 into 3/10 is equal to 9/40. Batma remaining share 3/4 into old share 2/10. 3 into 2 are 6. 10 into 4 are 16. 6/40. Same. Share of new partner is equal to Ramya is equal to 1/4. Ramya share 1/4 means in equalized denominator, multiply and dividing by 10. 1/4 into 10/10 is equal to 10/40. New profit sharing ratio of 4 partners 15 into 9 into 6 into 10. Next, fourth adjustment adjustment for goodwill. Same goodwill introduction or meaning. At the time of admission of a partner, admission of a new partner, the exceeding partner sacrifice part of the share of profit in favor of new partner. Hence, common said the sacrificing made by the existing partner. Goodwill of the firm has to be valued and adjusted for adjustment in addition to capital. So addition to capital means introduced for additional capital. The new partner may contribute investment towards goodwill. The goodwill is distributed in the sacrificing ratio to the old partner who sacrifice. Next one, accounting treatment for goodwill. Accounting treatment for goodwill on admission of a partner is discussed below. First one, when new partner bring cash towards goodwill. Second one, when the new partner does not bring goodwill in cash or in kind. Third one, when the new partner brings only a part of the goodwill in cash or in kind. Fourth one, existing partner. Only format. First one, when a new partner brings cash towards goodwill, meaning when the new partner brings cash towards goodwill in addition to the amount of capital for introduced for additional capital, it is distributed to the existing partners in the sacrificing ratio. Only new partner additional capital investment means distribution for exceeding partner of the sacrificing ratio. The following journal entries are to be made. First one, for the goodwill bought into cash credited to the old partners capital account means cash or bank account debtor to old partners capital account credit. First one, for goodwill bought in cash credited to old partners capital account means cash or bank account debtor to old partners capital account credit. Second one, for the goodwill bought into kind in the forms of asset credited to old partners capital account means respective asset account debtor to old partners capital account credit. Same second one, for the goodwill bought into kind in the forms of asset credited to old partners capital account means respective asset account debtor to old partners capital account credit. Third one, for withdrawal of cash received for goodwill by the old partner. For withdrawal of cash received for goodwill by the old partners equal to old partners capital account debtor to cash or bank account credit. Old partners capital account debtor to old cash or bank account credit. Second treatment, when the new partner does not bring goodwill in cash or kind, his share of goodwill must be adjusted through the capital account of the old partner or new partner. The following journal entry is passed. New partner's capital account debtor to old partner's capital account credit. New partner's capital account debtor to old partner's capital account credit. Third adjustment, when the new partner brings only a part of the goodwill in cash or in kind. In the cash or in kind means in such of case for the cash or the asset bought in respective account in debited and for the amount in not bought in cash or kind, the new partner capital account debited. Same cash or bank account debtor, new partner's capital account debtor to old partner's capital account credit. Same cash or bank account debtor, new partner's capital account debtor to old partner's capital account credit. Fourth treatment, existing partner, existing goodwill. It already appears in the books of account at the time of admission if the partner desired It can be written off by transferring to the existing partner or retirementing partner. Existing means retire partner or remove the partner, or capital account or current account in the old profit sharing ratio means old partner's capital account debtor to goodwill account credit. Old partner's capital account debtor to goodwill account credit. Next sum number 18. Abarna and Priya are partner who share profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Brinda joins the firm for 1/5 share of profits and brings in cash for a share of goodwill of rupees 10,000. Pass necessary journal entry for adjusting goodwill on the assumption that the fluctuating capital method is followed and the partners withdraw the entire amount of their share of goodwill. First one, brings in cash. So brings in cash means entry cash or bank account debtor to old partners capital account credit. Same profit and brings in cash for a share of goodwill 10,000 rupees. Cash means the bank or cash account debtor to old partners capital account credit. Bank account debtor to old partners. Abarna and Priya is a old partner. To Abarna's capital account credit to Priya's capital account credit. Bank value means goodwill value 10,000 rupees. 10,000. 10,000 into ratio 3:2. 10,000 into 3/5 first partner. 10,000 into 2/5. Same 6,000 rupees and 4,000 rupees. Narration. Cash bought for goodwill credited to Abarna and Priya's for sacrificing ratio. Second one, withdraw the entire amount entry. Same withdraw means old partner's capital account debtor to cash or bank account credit. Same old partner Abarna and Priya's old partner. Abarna's capital account debtor to Priya's capital account debtor to bank or cash account credit. Same opposite entry. Abarna capital 6,000, Priya capital 4,000 to bank value 10,000 rupees. So narration, amount withdraw by the partners. Next sum number 19. Deepak and Senthil and Santosh are partner sharing profit and losses equally. Equally means 1:1:1 ratio. The admit of Gerald into partnership for 1/3 share in future profit, future value. The goodwill of the firm is valued at rupees 45,000 and Gerald bought cash for his share of goodwill. The exceeding partner withdraw half of the amount of the share of goodwill was necessary journal entry. Same Gerald future value means Gerald share of goodwill is equal to future value 45,000 into 1/3. 3 partners equal ratio 1:1:1 ratio. Same new partner share same 1. 45 into 1/3 future goodwill value of Gerald 15,000 rupees. Same entry, first entry cash entry. Cash entry bought cash for his share of goodwill means bank or cash account debtor to old partners capital account credit. Bank account debtor to old partners Deepak, Senthil and Santosh the old partner. To Deepak capital account credit. To Senthil capital account credit. To Santosh capital account credit. Bank value 15,000 into equal ratio 1:1:1 ratio 1/3. 15,000 into 1/3. 15,000 into 1/3. 5,000 5,000 5,000 total 15,000 rupees. Narration. Cash bought for goodwill credited to old partners capital account in sacrificing ratio. Second one, withdraw value. Same, the existing partner withdraw half of the amount. Same 5,000 means 2,500. 15,000 means 7,500. Half of the amount for withdraw. So withdraw entry old partners capital account debtor to bank or cash account credit. This for 3 partners for old partner Deepak, Senthil and Santosh the old partner to bank account credit. Same half of the amount. So old partners value 5,000 means 2,500, 2,500, 2,500. Total 7,500 rupees. Narration, cash withdraw by the partners. Next, assignment 15. Anil and Sunil and Hari are partners in a firm sharing profit in the ratio of 4:3:3. The admit Raja for 20% for profit, calculate new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. Sum number 2. Amuda and Bhuvana are partner who share profit and losses in the ratio of 5:3. Chitra joined the firm on 1st January 2019 for 3/8 share of profit and brings in cash for a share of goodwill of rupees 8,000. Pass necessary journal entry for adjusting goodwill on the assumption that the fluctuating capital method is followed and the partners withdraw the entire amount of the share of goodwill.